This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beef broth easy updated. Roast bones first to deepen flavor, then transfer to a large pot and cover with cold water. Add onion, carrot, celery, bay leaf, and peppercorns, bring to a gentle simmer and cook low for several hours. Skim foam, salt lightly near the end, cool in the fridge, then strain and store broth for later use. For a clear, flavorful broth, choose basic aromatics and long, gentle simmering. Chop onion, carrot, and celery roughly so they release flavor without becoming mush. Use 2 bay leaves and a few peppercorns, and avoid acidic ingredients early on. Maintain a low simmer to extract gelatin and flavor without clouding the broth. Taste toward the end and add salt, then cool and strain into jars. Cool your broth rapidly to keep it safe and clear. Divide into shallow containers or use an ice bath under the pot to bring temperature down fast. Refrigerate for up to 5 days or freeze in ice cube trays or quart bags for months of ready-to-use broth. Thaw in the fridge and skim fat if desired before reheating. Proper labeling helps you rotate stock and avoid waste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.